Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This is new and latest iPhone 15 series cases by Supcase. By the way, I'd like to give a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this. And be sure to check out the link that is going to show within the description so you guys could check out these awesome cases. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the product. It's pretty heavy. I'm not sure if there's dummy phones in here or what. So yeah, I got the 4 of the dummy phones. Go ahead and check them out. This one's the iPhone 15 Pro. iPhone 15. So 15 and 15 Pro, both of them are 6.1 inch, and then 15 Plus and 15 Pro Max are the 6.7 inch display. This is the Max. And this one is the Plus. Go ahead and check out the 15 first. Nice. So they have the dynamic island right there. That is the 15. So it's the 15 Plus. So this two has 2 cameras set up, okay? And both of them has the silence and switch right here versus the new and latest Pro and Pro Max. They have the action button. Let's go and check out the Pro. Wow. Nice color. So this is titanium versus the stainless steel. Here is the action button right here. versus the silent switch. So this one's the same color. So the Pro and Pro Max has the 3 camera setup right there. Give you guys a side-by-side comparison. Let's go and then check out the case. This one is the 6.7 UB Pro SP Black. So this one probably for the Plus. It didn't say Pro. Yeah, the camera is smaller. So this one's for the Plus. And they come with the 360-degree rotating belt clip. I like the holster. Since the phone is pretty big, it's easy to carry around with this holster. And they have a screen protector over here. So the new charging port is a USB Type-C now instead of Lightning. And you have the carbon fiber extended looks right here, the design. And you have the 5 of this tiny non-slip rubber feet. So when you put it on the desk, it doesn't slide. Got the bifold kickstand. Let me pry this out right here on the corner. Let's separate the lip, that is the surround, that mid-frame. See right there? Like that. Pretty nice. And then you just remove this protective. go ahead and check out this one. So this one is the 6.7, the Pro Max. This one is the UB Pro SP TI Gray. Wow, pretty nice. They also come with the instruction on how to install. It's come with the holster again, with a rotating belt clip. The top has going first. By the way, you need to peel the inner plastic protectives. Nice. Yeah, so the button pretty tactile. Let's go and then check out the other three. This one is the 6.7, compatible with the magnetic charger Pro SP Black. The nice box give us a gift. Wow, look at that. Again, come with the holster and everything, the belt clip. And this one is compatible with your MagSafe charger. And then you just need to press this up to pop up the kickstand. Allow you to view this way. So only the landscape, okay? In this direction. Go and then check out this one. This one's the Mac Pro SP Mountain. Wow. Look at that color. It's like a purplish color. Very nice. So you do the same thing, pry this corner out and then pop it in. Check out the last one. This one is the 6.1 Mac Pro SP Golden. Wow. So this is the one with the two camera setup. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description, so you could check out this new latest iPhone 15 series case. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.